For 175 years, The Economist has been doing more than reporting news. It's been championing values, promoting open societies, challenging special interests, making the case for decisions based on cold, hard facts. We set the agenda for free trade and globalization. We made the case for same-sex marriage and private space exploration. But in an age of populism, these values are in jeopardy. So we've begun Open Future, a global conversation with critics and supporters on the vital issues of today. From free trade and free speech to immigration, diversity, and technology. It's a conversation we began in 1843 when we argued against tariffs on grain, and continued with other causes like prison reform and ending slavery. We've led the debate on drug legalization and on regulating the titans of tech. Now it's time to shape the agenda for the challenges of the 21st century. A discussion we'll lead through articles, events, and online debates, in contests, films, and podcasts. It's time to renew the mission for an open future.